up, you guys? We're doing these braids today. Honestly, didn't think that they were going to be all the rage, but they are. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do them. Let me finish taking this hairstyle out and I will get started. You can do this with your hair wet or dry. I feel like it's easier to do it with it wet, honestly. So I got my hair wet and then I put the Love Your Curls sea moss gel in my hair, and I feel like this really helped my braids stay well throughout the day and overnight and all of that good stuff. And then I spreaded it down the middle just like a normal braid, and the top part that I'm splitting off first is going to be the big braid, so I just sectioned that off and put it to the side, and then I section off the one of the first of the 3 small braids. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and braid that. People were asking me how to do the small braids, but doing small braids is the same as doing a big Dutch braid, French braid, whatever. You have to know how to do, like, braid in general in order to just do small braids. It's the same thing, it's just smaller. So I just grabbed 3 pieces and then I started to braid off my head, and then I'll start to go in and grab little sections and put them into the other sections that are in my fingers and just pull tight, and that's really it. That's how you braid them. With this video, I feel like I'm more so showing you guys how to do the hairstyle as opposed to showing you guys how to braid. I do have a Dutch braiding tutorial on my page already. It's a little further down. So to make sure the braid that doesn't come unraveled, even though it wouldn't because there's gel in my hair, I made sure to braid more so off my hair a little bit further, and then I just put it to the side and went in and did the rest of the 2 braids. I feel like another common question was, how do I braid with nails? And I feel like it's so much easier because I can just like separate the section with my finger and then add it in, as opposed to like trying to do it with my skin. We're moving on to the final step, and I like to brush through it to make sure it's just smooth and I don't have any bumps or tangles in my hair. And then again, we just start the typical braiding process. I braid a little bit off my head first, and then I go in and start putting sections into the sections I'm braiding. Now when I get to the smaller braids, I literally just take them and add them in as I'm going down, and they just act as another strand of hair that I'm adding into the sections I'm braiding as I'm going. And boom, just like that, we're done. Took me 20 minutes this time. I was 2 minutes over my record. It's fine. I'm not hurt at all. Enjoy it, and I hope that you can do it at home. Remember to be patient with yourself. Braiding takes time. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.